London Corbin Airport, McGee Field, London, Kentucky. Automated weather observation 2228 Zulu. Wind 140 at 04.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907 maneuvering at the north taxiway. London Corbin.
Mike X-ray, we're across the midfield, energy on wind 424 London. We'll watch for your helicopter.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907 entering runway 24 from the north taxiway. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907 on the go, runway 24, right close traffic, London Corbin. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907, final, runway 24, London Corbin.
London traffic, 4 Mike X-ray downwind for 24 London.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907 on the go, right close traffic, runway 24, London Corbin. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907, right crosswind, runway 24, London Corbin. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907, be on the extended crosswind out over the interstate, London Corbin. London area traffic, helicopter 7907, currently over the interstate, turning to follow Main Street back into the pattern. London area traffic.
Mike X-ray's down and clear London.
Pull up. Pull up. Obstacle ahead. Pull up.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907 entering a right base, runway 24. Whiskey, I do not have you in sight.
November 5173 Whiskey, we just turned left downwind, runway 24.
Okay, I've got you in sight. I'm about your 10 o'clock and below you.
Whiskey location now, helicopter.
November 7907, turning final, runway 24, 1 1/4.
I'll extend out to the east.
I'll sidestep over here to the ramp, you can come on in. November 7907, final, taxiway 24, 1 1/4.
London Corbin traffic, November 5173 Whiskey, turning left base, runway 24. London Corbin traffic, November 5173 Whiskey, turning final, runway 24 for landing.